how to order food using the online e-catering for your journey using the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get food or a meal from outside using the e-catering in the official IRCTC website. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice and simply search for IRCTC and click onto this link that says irctc.co.in. So make sure you are on the correct website, that is irctc.co.in, which is the official IRCTC website. And once you are inside the website, if you have already booked a ticket, you can log in with your same IRCTC credentials. And then once you have successfully logged in, you will see a page like this. So the next thing, in order to book a meal, you have to do is simply hover your cursor over to this meals button or this meals tab right at the top. And once you will do this, you can see these following options. So you can click onto this first option that says book food e-pantry. So simply click onto this book food e-pantry option, and then it will show you a list of your upcoming journeys. So since we are booking the food, we can choose any journey that we want. So for example, let's say I have selected this particular journey, and once I have selected this journey, I will see the details. And if I'll scroll down, I can see these options right here at the bottom of this ticket PDF. And one such option is this that says order food e-catering. So simply click onto this order food e-catering option, and it will load a new page, and from here you need to select that particular station at which you want your food. So let's say I want to book my food for this particular station, that is the Moradabad station. So I will simply select it, and then it will show me the list of all the available restaurants that serve at this particular station. So at different stations, different types of vendors or restaurants serves. So as here you can see at the Moradabad station, these particular restaurants currently serve. So as you can see, if they are an aggregator, you can see this tag which will say an aggregator tag right here. So you can choose any of the restaurant, and then you also have the menu right here, and you can order it according to your preference as well. So that's how easily you can order food using this particular technique for your journey on the IRCTC official website. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.